Students, now you are going to learn definition of function. A relation f between two non-empty sets x and y is called a function from x to y. If for each element x belongs to set x, there exists only one y belongs to set y, such that ordered pair x comma y belongs to f. So this is a function. Ordered pair x comma y belongs to f. That is, f function f is equal to set of all ordered pair x comma y such that for all x belongs to x. So that is the set x, and y, small y, belongs to set y. A function f from x to y is written as f from x to y. For this wordings are rewritten as this form. Listen students, function with some example. Listen this example. A company has 5 employees in different categories. If we consider their salary distribution for a month as shown by the arrow diagram, we see that there is only one salary associated for every employee of the company. Observe this arrow diagram. For it is you have to consider as set x, it is considered as set y. For it is E1, E2, E3, E4, E5. This is called employees. They are related salaries. See here, the employee 1 salary is 10,000. Employee 2, E2 is 5,000. E3 is 4,000. Sorry, E1 is 1 lakh. Employees E1 salary is 1 lakh. For E2 salary is 50,000. E3 salary is 45,000. E4 salary is 20,000. Sorry, 30,000. E5 salary is 20,000. We have to refer with this mapping. Okay, students. So now you have to refer with the definition. What you learned? F equal to function f is equal to set of all ordered pair x comma y such that for all x belongs to set x and y belongs to set y. This is called a function. So that is, now for this E1, for E1 belongs to set x. So for these two have a mapping. So these two have a mapping E3 for E4, E5, E4, E5. Okay, so the distinct element of x relates with distinct element of y. So like this relations are called functions. Observe this. Every function is a relation, and functions are subset of a relation, and relations are subset of a Cartesian product. Now you have to see this diagram. For it is function, it is relation, it is Cartesian product. So that is, function belongs to relation, relation belongs to Cartesian product. So that is, every function is a relation. Every function is a relation. Functions are subsets of relations. Relations and relations are subset of Cartesian product. Have you answered this? Function is a subset of relation. Relation is a subset of Cartesian product. Listen students, a function is also called as a mapping or transformation. Function is also called as a mapping or transformation. Function f can be thought as a mechanism or device which gives a unique output of f of x to every input x. Which function is unique output f of x to every input x. Students, some more examples for functions. Consider this mapping. For in set A contains the elements 1, 2, 3. Set B contains 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For it is called a domain, it is called a codomain. Observe this. This is called a domain. This is codomain. For this is called mapping 1 to, for mapping, listen this mapping 1 to 5, 2 to 6, 3 to 9. For this is a function. For this is called a function. This mapping is called a function since each element in A has a unique images in B. It is called the element their images. For it is elements, this is images, for their images. For one mapping with 5, 2 mapping with 6, 3 mapping with 9. So each element in A has a unique image. Unique image, that is only one image. This is called a function. Now the second example, consider this mapping for in set X containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, in set Y 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For we say this is not a function because for as per the definition each element have a distinct images. But here 1, 2, 3, 1 mapping with 5, 2 mapping with 6, 4 mapping with 9. For 3 not have images, 3 not mapping with any one of the element. So this will not have a image. So this is not a function. So this is not a function since 3 does not have an image in Y. Okay. Next. For set X, we have to consider the elements A, B, C, D, and in set Y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have to consider these two sets. So now, for A mapping with 1, B mapping with 2, C mapping with 3 and 4, D mapping with 5. Consider this mapping. For A containing only one image, B have only one image, but C have two images, 3 and 4. So like this mapping is not a function. This is not a function since C has two images in Y. So this is not a function. Students listen, another example. For it is a testing for function. The given mapping is a function or not a function. Refer with this for A, B, C for this set. For this set P, Q are the elements. For now you have to see the diagram. Is this a function or not? This is a function because each element have a unique image. Unique image means it has only one image. For it is, we have to say it is a domain, it is codomain. Otherwise it is input, it is output. For this represents a function, each input corresponds to a single output. Okay. So next, for this one, 1, 2, 3, M, P, N. For this represents a function. Each input corresponds to a single output. Listen, for 1, for input of 1, for their output M. For 2, their output N. 3, their output N. For it is not mapping with any one of the element, but it is not a problem. This is also considered a function. Each input corresponds to a single output. For third example, for this is not a function. Why? For it has a output X. B has two outputs. B has two outputs. So it is not a function. This is not a function. One of the input B is associated with two outputs. Students, now exercise 1.3 first problem. Let f equal to set of all ordered per x comma y such that x comma y belongs to n, that is natural number, and y equal to 2x. Be a relation on n. Find the domain, codomain and range. Is this relation a function? Students, first you have to take and write the given relation. F equal to set of all ordered per x comma y such that x comma y belongs to n and y equal to 2x. We know that for n is equal to natural number starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So you have to consider the relation y equal to 2x. Now you have to consider both x and y belongs to natural number. You have to consider x is equal to 1. Why you have to consider from 1? Natural number starting from 1. So x is equal to 1. You have to substitute here. 2 into 1, 2. So that is y is equal to 2 into 1. That is equal to 2. Y equal to 2 into 2, 4. X is equal to 2. You have to substitute x is equal to 3. So that is y equal to 2 into 3, 6. X equal to 4. That is y equal to 2. Suppose you have doubt, you have to write here. 2 into 2. Y equal to 2 into 3. Y equal to 2 into 4. y is equal to 2 into 5. Y equal to 2 into x. You have to substitute the x value. Okay. So that is, now you have to consider for both x and y belongs to natural number. You have to draw the arrow diagram. So that is set x, you have to consider the natural number. In set y also natural number. Okay. So that is, you have to, for what we found when we are substituting x equal to 1, what is the y value? 2. X equal to 2, what is the y value? 4. X equal to 3, y value 6. X equal to 4, y value 8. X equal to 5, y value 10. So 1 mapping with 2, 2 mapping with 4, 3 mapping with 6, 4 mapping with 8, 5 mapping with 10. Students, for this problem, not given any condition for x and y value, so approximately you have to consider. For it is, I am considering here x value up to 5. So if you need one more values, you have to consider x equal to 6, then you have to find the y value. Okay, so now you have to consider this mapping. This is a function. Since why you have to consider this is a function, each element have a unique image. So that is, since each element in x has an unique image in y. So which is the domain? Which is the domain? This is called a domain. Domain values 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Codomain, you know, this is called a codomain. This is domain. First set is domain. The second set is called a codomain. So domain value just you have to take from this set x. So that is domain. It is called a codomain. Range. Range means, you know, range. Range is a subset of codomain. Range is a subset of codomain. So what is that meaning? Range belongs to codomain. So that is, what are the images have a mapping? What are the elements have a mapping? So that is, you have to take from here. What is the images? The output is called a range. So what are the outputs here? 2, 4. Listen this. What are the outputs? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. For this is called a range. So range, how you take this range? So that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is called a range. So domain equal to, take from the set x. Codomain, take from the all the elements from set y. Range you have to take from the codomain. Exercise 1.3, second problem. Let x is equal to set of all 3, 4, 6, 8. Determine whether the relation R is equal to set of all ordered per x comma f of x such that x belongs to set x. F of x is equal to x square plus 1 is a function from x to n. We have to check it is a function from x to n. Set x to n. That is a natural number. Students, you have to take and write the given relation R is equal to set of all ordered per x comma f of x such that x belongs to set x. F of x is equal to x square plus 1. You have to consider this condition. F of x, set x is equal to what is given in the question? Set of all 3, 4, 6, 8. F of x is equal to what is given? Take and write x square plus 1. Now you have to substitute the value, x values to f of x. So that is x is equal to 3. You have to substitute x is equal to 3 in f of x. X is equal to 3. This implies f of x. Instead of x, you have to substitute 3. 3 is equal to x value. What is x value? 3. 3 square plus 1. That is equal to 3 square value 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 3 square value 9. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. So x is equal to 4. F of 4, that is x square, that is 4 square plus 1. Why you are substituting here 4? X value is 4. 4 square value 16. 16 plus 1. So that is 17. X is equal to 6. 6 square plus 1. 6 square value 36. 36 plus 1, 37. Next x value is 8. 8 square plus 1. 8 square value 64. 64 plus 1, 65. Now, for what is the ordered per relation? X is equal to set of all ordered per x comma f of x. So, x value and f of x value. We have to make a ordered per x value and f of x value. So, that is 3, 10. Ordered per 4, 17. Ordered per 6, 37. Ordered per 8, 65. So that is 3, 10. Ordered per 4, 17. Ordered per 6, 37. Ordered per 8, 65. Now you have to draw the arrow diagram for in set X and N. So that is X set value elements of set X 3, 4, 6, 8. N is a natural number. What are the elements we need? It is starting from 1. You have to take, no need to write all. We have here up to 65. So it is impossible to write all the 65 elements in this set. So you have to use a etc symbol. So that is 1, 2. What are the elements we need? You have to write 1, 2, 4, etc. 10, 16. For comfortably, you have to write. Okay, we need to make a mapping 3 to 10, 4 to 17, 6 to 37, 8 to 65. So, you have to write here up to 65. So, you have to use etc. symbol and write this. Conveniently, you have to write this. You have to draw the mapping 3 to 10, 4 to 17, 6 to 37, 8 to 65. So this is a function. How you have to conclude this? It is a function. Each element have a unique image. So the image of 3 is 10, image of 4 is 17, image of 6 is 37, image of 8 is 65. Suppose they asked range. So that is what is the range? Domain and range. Suppose they are asked, what do you write? The first element is called a domain. It is called a range. In this ordered pair, the second element is called a range. Okay, for in this question they asked only, we have to check it is a function. So we conclude that it is a function.